everyone. I'm Koala Teacher from One English Academy, here to help with your homework. It's going to be fun. You'll see. If we go too fast, don't worry. Just hit pause. Take your time and catch up. It's all because if you hold on tight, we'll learn and grow. With every step, the more you'll know. Are you ready? Let's go! Today we'll be using our student book and our workbook, so make sure you follow along. Let's open our student book. Today we'll do Unit 2 homework, People in Town. In this unit, we learn the different names of different jobs and what they do. For example, firefighter, 소방관, police officer, 경찰관, nurse, 간호사, baker, 제빵사, mayor, 시장, driver, 운전기사, and banker, 은행원. On page 13, we will do topic 1, good people. We need to listen and circle the correct picture. They are not talking about who? Firefighters, doctors and nurses, or police officers? Let's listen.
People make up. Circle the correct picture.
Class, let's talk about good people in our town.
Listen and circle the correct picture.
Class, let's talk about good people in our town.
Good people?
Good people make our town a better place.
Aha! Good people work to help others, right?
Yes. Who helps people in our town?
Police officers help people in our town. They catch bad people.
You're right.
Firefighters help people in our town too. They rescue people in fires.
They go into burning buildings. They are very brave.
How about the mayor, Mrs. Madison?
How can the mayor help people?
The mayor makes our town a better place.
That's a good answer.
Volunteers are good people in our town.
Why?
They help people and they don't get paid.
Excellent.
Mrs. Madison, you're a good person in our town.
Me? Why?
Because you teach us and make us better people. They talked about police officers and firefighters. They did not talk about B, doctors and nurses. Great job. But these are great people too. Number 2, listen again and circle the correct answer. Do you remember who helps people and they don't get paid? 돈을 안 받고 도와드리는 분들은 mayors, teachers, or volunteers. Let's listen.
Volunteers are good people in our town.
Why?
They help people and they don't get paid.
Volunteers help people and they don't get paid. Great job. 방금 들은 내용을 한번 써보자. It's dictation time. Let's go back to the workbook. On page 12, we will do topic 1 dictation. The teacher says, class, let's talk about good people in our town. Shelby says, good people? The teacher says, good people make our town a better place. Ben says, aha, good people work to help others, right? The teacher says, yes. Who helps people in our town? Shelby says, police officers help people in our town. Don't forget, 우리 문장의 첫 단어라서 대문자로 써야 돼요. They catch bad people. The teacher says, you're right. Ben says, firefighters help people in our town too. They rescue people in fires. The teacher says, they go into burning buildings. They are very brave. Shelby asks, how about the mayor, Mrs. Madison? The teacher asks, how can the mayor help people? Shelby says, the mayor makes our town a better place. The teacher says, that's a good answer. Ben says, volunteers are good people in our town. The teacher asks, why? Ben says, they help people and don't get paid. Let's keep going to the next page. The teacher says, excellent. Shelby says, Mrs. Madison, you are a good person in our town. The teacher says, me? Why? Shelby says, because you teach us and make us better people. Let's go back to the student book. On page 14, we will do topic 2, a baker, Betty. In number 1, we need to listen and circle the correct picture. Betty makes for people in her town. Cakes, popcorn, or steak. Let's listen.
Hi, I'm Betty. I'm a kind baker at a shop in our town. I make many cakes for people in our town. I make chocolate cake for children. It is very nice. It makes them excited. I make strawberry cake for parents. It is very sweet. It makes them happy. I make vanilla cake for old people. It is very delicious. It makes them feel cozy. I have a dream. I want to make a big castle cake for people in our town. They can't live in my castle cake. They can't come into my castle cake, but they can eat my big castle cake for free.
Wow, Betty makes for people in her town. Letter A, chocolate cakes. Great job. Now we will listen again and circle the correct answer. Betty wants to make a big for people. Chocolate shop, popcorn house, castle cake. Good, letter C, castle cake. But they can't go inside. Topic 2도 한번 써볼까? Let's go back to the workbook to write topic 2, dictation. On page 14, we will do topic 2, dictation. A baker, Betty. Betty says, Hi, I'm Betty. I am a kind baker at a shop in our town. I make many cakes for people in our town. I make chocolate cake for children. It is very nice. It makes them excited. I make strawberry cake for parents. It is very sweet. It makes them happy. I make vanilla cake for old people. It is very delicious. It makes them feel cozy. I have a dream. I want to make a big castle cake for people in our town. They can't live in my castle cake. They can't come into my castle cake. But they can eat my big castle cake for free. Great job. We're almost done. Only the unit test is left. Let's work on the student book. On page 16, we will do the unit test. For numbers 1, 2, and 3, we need to listen and circle the picture or words that we hear. Number 1,
Baker.
baker. Which picture shows the baker? Great, letter C. Number 2,
Mayor.
mayor. Which word says mayor? Great, letter B. Number 3,
Rescue.
rescue. Which word says rescue? Letter C. Great job. Now in number 4, 5, and 6, we need to listen and circle the answers to each dialogue. Number 4, who helps sick people in their town? Doctors, nurses, or volunteers? Let's listen.
Who helps people in our town?
Nurses help people in our town.
You're right. They help sick people.
Who helps sick people in their town? Good. Letter B, nurses. Number 5, what is Betty's job?
This cake is very sweet.
Wow, that is Betty's chocolate cake. She is a very good baker.
You're right. Her cake makes us happy.
Betty is a teacher, mayor, or a baker. Good. C, baker. Number 6, what does the boy's mom do for their town? Let's listen to see what the boy's mom's job is.
My mom is a mayor in our town.
What does she do for our town?
She makes our town a better place.
The boy's mom is the mayor. She makes their town a better place. On page 17, for numbers 7, 8, and 9, for numbers 7 and 8, we will listen and circle the answers to each talk. Number 7, who makes people in the town happy? Let's listen.
Alice is a baker. Her candies make people in our town happy. Jason is a very brave firefighter. He makes people safe. People safe. Is a very brave town happy. Jason is a very brave firefighter. He makes people safe.
팀이랑 doctor에 대한 이야기 없었고 Jason은 police officer가 아니라 he's a firefighter. The answer is A. Alice. She is a baker and she makes people happy. Who does Dan help? Let's listen.
Number 8. I am Dan. I work for old people in our town. I'm a volunteer. I help old people and I don't get paid. And I teach old people without making money. I'm very happy to teach them.
The question is, who does Dan help? 누구를 도와주는지 답변을 찾아야 돼. Does he help children? No. Does he help old people? Yes. Does he volunteer in his town? Yes, he volunteers. But that doesn't say who he helps. Our answer is B. He helps old people in the town. Now let's listen and draw Ben's job.
Listen. Number 9.
I'm Nancy. I help sick people in our town. My job is a doctor.
I'm Ben. I am a police officer. I catch bad people.
선생님은 잘 못 그리지만 Ben is a police officer. Great job. Draw your picture and let's play our review game. Ready? Our first question. 시장은 뭐였지? Mayor. Great job. Goal! Question number 2. 마을이 뭐였지? Town. Awesome. Another goal. Next question. 편안한. Cozy. Great job. 3 goals in a row. Our last question. 제빵사. Baker. Nice. 4 goals in a row. Great job. You did an awesome job today. I'm so proud of you. Keep up the great work. You know what to do. I hope you'll miss me and be ready to play. Koala Teacher will see you in the next video. Okay? Bye!